I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Polar FT4 watch. It's pretty simple to do. Only thing you need is a screwdriver, a quarter, your watch, and a 1632 battery. And you can get this at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, or you could purchase it in the description below from Amazon. Also, this watch is on Amazon also. So the only thing you need to do is take this quarter. You want to turn it counterclockwise, and it probably would just spring out or pop out. And then you take your small screwdriver, knife, or whatever you can get in the corner. You just want to put it right here, and it'll come right out. Then take your battery out and put the plus part face down. You'll see a plus sign on it. That's the negative, that's the positive. So you want to take the plus, the positive, and put it face down in this slot. It kind of clicks in a little bit. And you put it back in and line it up with that groove. And you take your quarter and you want to turn it clockwise. And that's it. And test it, make sure it comes on. All right, everything's good. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you and have a great day.